Are you prepared to discover a new source of income? Picture making $750 every day by producing engaging nursery rhyme videos for children. In this video, we will guide you through using advanced AI tools like ChatGPT, Suno AI, and InVideo AI. Whether you're just starting or have no experience at all, we're here for you. Let's get started. First, you'll require an AI tool to generate content. ChatGPT can aid you in crafting captivating nursery rhyme lyrics. Utilize it to create original and catchy songs that kids will enjoy. Next, we will employ Suno AI to produce a 3D animated video in the style of Disney Pixar. Just input your nursery rhyme script and let Suno AI know what scenes to feature. For instance, visualize a child brushing their teeth alongside a talking toothbrush. This creative visual approach truly captivates children. After you've prepared your video with InVideo AI, it's time to upload it onto your YouTube channel. Make sure your channel is set up for monetization. Create eye-catching titles and attractive thumbnails to draw in viewers. To summarize, begin by utilizing AI tools to develop nursery rhymes. Transform your scripts into lively videos, and finally, monetize your content on YouTube. Now it's your opportunity to take the next step. Check out the links in the description to start using InVideo AI and discover other resources to enhance your channel. Subscribe for more insightful tips and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. We're here to support your success.